Welcome to EducAgent Studio, where a crew of AI agents help us teach and you learn with ease. Here's the problem we'll solve today. We'll take this 3-equation linear system, use exactly 2 elimination row operations to make it upper triangular, identify the pivot positions, and then solve by back substitution in the order z, then y, then x. Let's package the system into an augmented matrix, so elimination becomes a clean sequence of row operations. Our first pivot candidate is the 2 in the top left. We'll eliminate the entries below it in column 1. To remove the 4 under the pivot 2, subtract 2 times row 1 from row 2. Watch each component update. The 4 becomes 0, and the rest of the row simplifies nicely. Now column 1 is cleared below the first pivot. Next, we'll use the new pivot in row 2 to clear column 2 below it. Upper triangular form means everything below the main diagonal becomes 0, so we eliminate in a staircase pattern. The next target is the -2 under the new pivot in column 2. To eliminate -2 in row 3, column 2, add 2 times row 2 to row 3. The -2 and +2 cancel, and we get a clean third row with only z. We've reached upper triangular echelon form in exactly 2 row operations. The pivots are the first non-zero entries in each row. Here they land in columns 1, 2, and 3. These pivot positions show a full set of independent steps. No free variables in this system. Start at the bottom. The last equation has only z, so we can solve it immediately. Move up 1 row. Plug in z equals 1 and solve for y. Finally, substitute y and z into the first equation to get x. 2 elimination moves produced an upper triangular matrix, and the circled pivots show the staircase of leading entries. Triangular form makes solving fast, bottom to top, 1 variable at a time. Watch the next video to learn more. Next, we'll see how pivot patterns reveal whether solutions are unique, infinite, or impossible.